the relaxing sounds of a hurricane. We have some very relaxing sounds of hurricanes. Switching cameraman. Just cover up right here.
I'm super cool. I'm super cool. Relaxing sounds of hurricane. Listen to the calmness of the wind. It's not actually a hurricane. Listen to those frogs. Those frogs. Listen to them. Just listen to frogs. You can hear them. It looks beautiful. And I just noticed the street is flooded with water. It's been flooded with water since this morning. That just sounds relaxing. It actually sounds relaxing for some reason. Is that the water? Maybe? Oh, that was the water moving. Wow, that's actually pretty cool. Whoa. I know it's in complete darkness, but this is time to do some meditation. Now, shh. 30 more seconds. Shh. Okay. Going. Oh, that's the palm tree. No, that's nice. Oh. Getting more calm. Now you can hear the frogs better. That's a lot of frogs. Whenever the winds get stronger, the water moves and it makes more noise and it kind of creates many waves. It's kind of crazy, don't you think, guys? I know this video is long and dark, but it does sound beautiful. Whoa, that was just lightning. Think? What was that? Oh, cool. Literally lit up the sky. Lit up the sky like I light up people in Bed Wars. Pretty crazy. Whatever that was looked cool. Look just as cool as when I light up people in Bed Wars. I'm gonna try to make an evade video tomorrow. I've never really played it.
You like people up in Bed Wars. I like people up in Combat Warriors.
For real. That just sounds beautiful. Yeah, this video is about to be 5 minutes long. I'm gonna go now, and I'm gonna eat some Pop-Tarts, just like Creep Crab. See you guys in the evade video. Bye bye. Wait, first Listen. Okay, guys, let's revive. Okay, bye.